Warning, this video contains strong language. Don't watch if you're a pussy. Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2-Wheel Aussie. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. Been a bit busy with my new job. I've been good. My bike's running sweet. Still needs a service. I've neglected it a little bit. Haven't ridden much. But thought I'd turn on the GoPro. It's got some charge. Went to Monomaniacs today. Also went to good old AMX and got some new boots. But I don't know if the GoPro was facing up enough, but you know, in a way. Or should we? Oh no, green light. Fuck it. Oh fuck. I had like 4 bottles of Coke Zero, so I'm gonna be burping a lot. Went to Monomaniacs as well, done some wheelies on the machines, and whew, it was fun. Today's been pretty good, hasn't been bad. Now I reckon I'll go get some food, probably not KFC, probably Macca's I reckon. See if I probably can't carry it. Only food I can really carry on the bike is KFC, because it's a bottle of drink, not a cup. But I might just sit in. I don't know. Need to get out of the city first. I hate riding in the city. Too much traffic, man. Fucking hell, it's hot. My boy's on 102 degrees. Ugh. I used to do security there. It's not a bad joint. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? You fucking dumb bitch. What the fuck? Fucking old bitch. Holy fucking shit. Yeah, I'll turn here. Far out, people don't know how to drive in this state. Oh, it's a cutie patootie in front of me though. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? What the fuck? Man, girls and fucking cars don't mix. Fucking Jesus. What the fuck's she doing? Oh my god. I'm following her. Don't you fucking dumb cunt, mate. Fucking hell. Do you not look? Fucking hell. Man, that's fucking 3 cars in what? Fucking a minute. That's fucked. Riding in the fucking city, man. Fuck, as long as she don't come behind me, I'm alright. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Oh yeah, they got Star Wars fucking stickers on. Jedi Jitsu. What's up, Holmes? Oh, what's this car behind me? Yeah, it's alright. Paper, I'm like, what? They need harsher laws, man. Oh, fucking Jesus. Man, what's going on with Adelaide today? Lucky I turned my GoPro on, eh? I'll be like kicking myself if I didn't. Fuck, what's this guy doing? Shit, thought that truck was gonna come into me. Oh, imagine that. That'd be the worst way to die. Getting trampled with by a truck. Yeah, look how mean it looks. Damn. Oh my god, I seen a video today when I woke up. I checked Facebook and seen a video of a car crash on a highway. I think it was in America, and like this motorbike came past the video, and luckily he lane filtered because these cars just crashed into each other. I was like, whoo! He would have been dead easily. It's all about the right decision at the right time. Some people do the wrong decision at the wrong time. Or they could do the right decision at the wrong time. Or the wrong decision at the right time. You know. Oh, what the fuck's this shit? Oh, that's what smells like shit. Fuck, whatever's in that truck, man. I think it's chickens. Yeah, chickens. Peppers are flying out. Ugh. Oh, fuck, hold my breath. Oh my god. Ugh. Ugh. Fuck, I'm slowing down. Ugh. Oh, fucking hell, that is... Oh, I can't even breathe. It's so bad. Oh my god. Fuck, someone give me some exhaust fumes or something. Oh my god, man. Oh. Oh, that's so bad, man. I'm not even joking. Oh. Imagine vomiting in your helmet. I think I'd rather smell my vomit than fucking smell that chicken. Now I love chicken, but only when it's cooked. Oh, I think I'm at a fair distance. Oh, fucking no. That is way better. Oh man, I reckon I was almost about to vomit. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe.